Hello, good people, and welcome back to the channel. On day 7 was a maintenance and rest day. That morning, got up, washed some clothes at the hotel, got dressed. We took Effie over to Apple State, Harley Davidson, and they hooked your boy up and hooked Effie up with a 3-hole change. We rode around a little bit in the van. I got to ride in Jay's van. He's living the van life, you know. Picked Effie up, then we went to see Joe's granddaughter, who doesn't live too far from there. Hung out for a little bit, came back to the hotel, and it was pretty much a chill day for me. I just sat back, chilled, got something to eat later on, and because day 8, y'all are really gonna love day 8. But like I said, today was just a maintenance and rest day, so just check out the video. Thanks. Good morning, good people. Whew. Well, we made it to Yakima, Washington. This is our day 7. This is our rest day. I'm up early this morning. I guess my body's still on East Coast time because I was up at 4 o'clock here, 7 o'clock back at the house. So decided to get my butt up and get outside, enjoy this little nature walk, and wash some clothes and all that other good stuff. Gonna be taking Effie to what's that? Apple State, Harley Davidson. Do a oil change real quick. Come back and just chill out for the day, and then get up tomorrow morning, back at it again. So, but just out here this morning enjoying this cool weather. I think it's about 58 degrees, and enjoying the sights of the Yakima River. So, y'all be good out there. I'll catch you later. Peace.
Tell me right now, I know your heart is in the right place. No, I won't let you down. Yeah. You can't disguise all the founding of your heart. Yeah. I see your eyes. talking about you.